What is up, YouTube? My name is Chad. This is the Wisco Boater channel, and today I'm going to be working on installing new cabinet hardware, locker hardware, depending on how official you are with boating terms. So I've got these new push button locker or cabinets. I'm just going to call them cabinets, openers. And the reason I'm doing this is because the old ones are faded gold, and I have been doing my best to eliminate all of the gold coloring in this boat because I do not like gold. Love silver, don't like gold. So here's what I'm talking about. So the hardware here, push button, open it up, plastic hardware on the inside, exact same thing, but this is, you can see, faded gold colors. So I got that one to do, that one, this one, and then that one in El Baño. This one here is not a push button, so that gold is gonna have to stay for now. Little firearm. So yeah, that's nothing I can do about that unless I just decide to change the handle out, which I might do. But anyway, got 4 of these that I'm gonna do. I have 5 on hand because they came in a package of 5. It should be just a very, very simple matter of taking out 2 screws, top and bottom, and putting the new one in. Should be a simple matter. All right, so the new latch consists of 3 components. The latch itself, the barrel that goes right there, and then the push button that goes in there that screws in place. Okay, so I've got them separated. And this should be fairly simple, like I said. Well, let me undo this first. This one, yeah, or maybe it's this one. One of these I glued, and it's gonna be a pain in the butt to take off, I'm sure. I should be able to just reuse the hardware and not even open the hardware bag that came with the new ones. I also don't think I'll need to use the striker plate that came with the new ones, because the striker plate's already there. Alright, there are a lot of people here this weekend at the marina, and I'm being very antisocial with my air conditioner going. And projects down below. But I'm only here, oh shoot. Started to crack the, there we go. Okay, so these are glued in. Anyway, as I was saying, I'm only here for about 24 hours this weekend. And I came up here just specifically to work on the carpet, snaps, and put these new cabinet hardware in. So I'm not up here to be social this weekend, although I typically am quite the socialite around the marina. Not doing it this weekend. Alright, well, I may be sacrificing one of my coasters in order to do this, but take the screws that we took out and put them right back in. Then we take our little button, screw it in place. Okay. Let's see. It's not as flush as I'd like it to be. Kind of sits down there a little bit, but it does work. It might be a little bit of an adjustment that I need to make. So even when it is in its locked position, it sits recessed. Now the old one was flush. Uh-oh, it's not locking. All right, new plan. I'm going to keep the barrel in place, and I'm going to take this off, and I'm just going to reinstall the original on the back side, and then just put the push button in place. That'll actually save quite a bit of time. But it's actually looking like I don't need this because it does not line up with the striker plate. It's not wide enough. It needs to be wider this way, and the striker plate that came with it is even more narrow. So I'm going to put the old one back in and just use them. Just use the old ones. Just not use this part. So I put the original back on, close the cabinet, and now we have a nice flush hardware. Works great. All right, secure door. It's exactly what I want. So I am going to have to take each one of these off in order to get that gold piece out, but then I'm going to put these right back on, and that'll be a wrap on changing out the hardware to silver. All the hardware that was gold is now silver. This one actually doesn't, this one sticks out a little bit farther because this door is quite a bit thinner than the other cabinets. So you got about 1/8 of an inch stick out, but that's all right. Still works. It looks much better. Now I just need to find a silver piece of hardware for that cabinet there. But otherwise, this all looks really good. So thanks for watching this episode of the Whisker Butter Channel Maintenance on Clifford. Hope you liked it. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and send me some comments if you like. If you want to be notified when I post new videos just like this one, hit that little notification bell and you'll be notified when I post them. We'll see you next time on the Whisker Butter Channel. Happy boating, everybody.